Hey, what's going on and welcome back. This whole section we're covering how to fix your credit. And in this episode, we're going to be covering how to dispute anything negative on your credit report. Or in general, if you have anything, any hard inquiries, any collections, any late payments, derogatory remarks, student loans, if you got denied an application and it's not on your report, but you got denied, if there is any discrimination. Overall, it's a platform to dispute anything negative whatsoever that you're not happy with on your credit report. And where we're going to be doing this is cfpb.gov. So what that stands for is Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. So that's C as in consumer, F as in financial. I don't want to throw up gang signs here, but P as in protection, B as in bureau. And it is overall just a U.S. government agency that makes sure banks, lenders, and other financial companies are treating you fairly. I like to personally think of it as the mother and father of the creditors to make sure that they are doing their job, they are staying in regulation, terms and conditions, and obeying the law. Anything that is incorrect and shouldn't be on your credit report, that they're not actually putting it on there, or that they make the attempt to actually correct it. This is an amazing website, cfpb.gov, to be able to file because you have an awesome success rate of actually turning it over to the correct outcome that you'd like. And it even gives you a section on there that you can give your ideal situation to fix the matter. So it's really powerful, and I'm going to dive into it and show you exactly what this looks like. So if you just type in cfpb.gov, Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, it pops up this website. Basically, you just go straight to submit a claim. And then you scroll down, start a new claim. See, it has 97% of consumers receive timely manner. That means within 15 days, you're going to get an answer back from the creditor. And the best part also is that you are getting straight to the resource, one of the top individuals in the company from the creditor that has the authority to overturn any decision and really make it into your favor if you win them over. And thankfully, it is an individual, it's a person. So if you can get them to connect with you or feel for you in any type of way, then you have a very strong chance to overturn it. So basically, you just go through the process, start your claim, and then it's going to give you a bunch of different options. You really just need to read through them all and see what is the best fit. So what is your claim about? Choose the product or service that best matches your complaint. So debt collection, vehicle loan or lease, student loan, credit reporting, credit repair service, or personal consumer, mortgage, credit card, or prepaid, checking, savings. So just go through all of these and see exactly what would be the best fit. Let's just say there is a debt collection. Let's say it was a medical. All these options right here. We got credit card debt, we got payday loan debt, mortgage debt, medical, auto, all different, even if you don't know. So just try to do your best to go through each individual box and see which one's going to be the best fit. And then you hit next. And then you just go through again. So what type of problem are you having? False statements, attempts to collect debt not owed. Perfect. So we'll hit that one. A lot of people see things on their credit report that are getting reported incorrectly. And so it's an easy way to fight this right here, which describes your problem. Debt resulted in identity theft. Debt was already discharged. Bankruptcy no longer owed. Debt was paid. Debt is not yours. So let's just say it was paid. It really doesn't matter. You can hit any of these. This is the main area that you want to keep an eye out for. So basically it says, have you tried to fix this problem with the company? You always want to put yes. If you put no, then they're going to make you start this whole process over. So they're going to just stop it right here, and they're going to make you reach out to the creditors and move forward that way to try to resolve it first. And then basically what happened, just describe the situation. And you want to be as detailed as possible. Basically include the dates, amount, the actions that were taken by you and the company. Try to put as very analytical and detailed as possible, a long paragraph, but get to the point and straight to it. You can publish it if you want to show other people. And then this is the section that I love the most. Basically, it says, what would be a fair resolution to this issue? So that's where you just go straight to the point. You don't want to make it too long, but you also want to be very fair. I don't want to be unreasonable. I think if a credit card company closed out your account for not using it or for using it incorrectly, then you could say, I would like to have this account reopened. If $50,000 credit line is too much, then I think a fair result would maybe be to lower my credit line to maybe $10,000 or $20,000, whatever is reasonable, and just try to make it more fair and make it seem like you're not being unreasonable. Also, you can use words in the top section like discriminating, you feel profiled, you feel like you were handpicked, whatever it may be, to try to kind of put a little bit of attention on the situation. And then afterwards, any documents, any proof that you have, you definitely want to upload right here. Afterwards, you can just hit next, and it's not going to allow me to because I didn't file. Let me see what I can do. And then you're just going to fill out like the company name. It's all basic stuff. The account number, social security number. Is the company where the debt came from different than the company entered above? So if like they sold off the debt, then you would put yes or no. It's the same one. And then, you just move on to the next. Yeah, they're going to ask you to fill out all this info. No way around that. But anyway, you guys get the point. It's very basic stuff. Just try to look through each individual one and see what really fits your situation the best. Right here, who are the people involved? Is it just you? Is it somebody else? Is it you and somebody else? And it gives you the opportunity to look through it afterwards during the review process before you actually submit it. So it's pretty good. It has an awesome success rate, and it's something that anybody could do. If you do have additional proof, then it definitely helps out and it makes life a lot easier. So once again, that is cfpb.gov. And within 15 days, typically you're going to get a response. It says 97% of the creditors are going to respond back within 15 days. So after 15 days, if they don't respond back, then I believe it's an automatic win, but 9 times out of 10, they will respond back, and they could potentially just respond back saying that they need more time to do more due diligence on the situation, and they will get back to you within 60 days. That's very common for them to do. Usually they don't take the full 60 days, but there is certain situations that they could drag it out as long as possible. Usually if they ask for 60 days additional, then they will get it back to you within the next week or so. But you are getting the direct contact information when they reply back. Don't be discouraged if they respond back to you not in your favor. They're going to have the contact information of the person that actually responded back to you. And it is one of those top individuals in the company that has the authority to actually overcome and change anything that you are trying to accomplish here. So I highly encourage you to call up that number. I've got several things overturned in my favor by just dealing human to human, person to person, and building relationship, use people skills to be able to overcome any odds and be able to win the outcome. So call that number when they do and work your magic. Overall, it might take a few different tries, but stay persistent and you will have a strong outlook at the end. So I hope this finds you well, and this really sets you up for success with fixing your credit. If you guys have any questions, make sure you just reach out to me and we can handle the questions as they come up. Stay blessed. Till next time.